To add a 1099 NEC to TurboTax, start by gathering all necessary documents, including your 1099 NEC form and any other relevant tax documents. Log into your TurboTax account and select the tax return you want to work on. Click on the Wages and Income section and then select the option to add a new income source. Choose the 1099 NEC option and enter the payer's name and identification number as shown on the form. Enter the amount of non-employee compensation reported in Box 1 of the 1099 NEC form. You will also be asked to enter any federal and state income tax withheld, as well as any other relevant information. TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions to determine if you are eligible for any business expense deductions. Answer these questions honestly and accurately to ensure you receive the maximum deduction allowed by law. Once you have completed the 1099 NEC section, review your return to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Make any necessary corrections before submitting your return to the IRS. It is essential to keep accurate records of your business income and expenses to ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations. TurboTax will help you navigate the tax filing process and ensure you take advantage of all eligible deductions and credits. Remember to e-file your return to receive your refund quickly and securely. If you have any questions or concerns, TurboTax offers live support and guidance to help you through the process. By following these steps and using TurboTax, you can easily and accurately add a 1099 NEC to your tax return and ensure compliance with all tax laws and regulations.